So check this out, guys. Company saw my video when I was clearing out by the pond down there. They said, let me send you my battery powered pole saw and you can compare it to the Milwaukee saw. Of course, I said yes. Let's see how this performs. Hear that supercharger? See if it'll cut through that nasty thorn crap. That cuts pretty quick, huh?
Yeah.
I know, it pulls back on you. See how high you can reach. Definitely wants to cut, huh? Size of them thorn bushes. She cuts quick.
Yeah.
And high. Nice. Take it off the pole and use it by hand.
Pretty quick.
Yeah. That does work quick. And it's light.
Yeah.
Super light. Clean that whole thing out nice and quick. The battery's not big enough for the saw. New battery. Big battery. Let's see this? It's pulled out. Does all right. Tighten that screw there, keeps pulling out of there. Yeah, must be like that. Good? Alright.
Keep pulling up now.
Jeez, it's still full. It did it though, look at that. It cut right across. Really good. That works really good. A lot of times it'll knock the chain off.
Yeah. Full bar still.
Still full?
Still full.
That's good. Let's see what we got down the trail.
Not bad.
Wow. Yeah, well, I guess that works, right? A little pivot.
Down to 2 bars.
2 bars. A lot of cutting. We'll see what else there is. We got the other battery too. Yeah, this trail got a little thick, huh? Take it off and use the handsaw part and see how it does.
2 bars.
Cut this.
Dead on that one.
That might be a little big for this. Yeah, new battery helped a lot, didn't it? That's crazy. It's got a lot of power. Ooh, we got her. Oh, look at that. That's probably 8 inches.
That's what she said.
We got so fully charged.
Look at that.
Definitely through.
Feels like it's just a tiny. Oh, you got it. Can't believe it.
So fully charged on that.
Still full? Man, that thing hogs right through the wood. It's crazy. I'm actually a little amazed how good it is. We're definitely not getting through that one, but
Nope.
we could probably roll that one aside. Clean this up.
Sure you lock her up.
That's right.
Want her to fall out. Fully charged.
That's still full. Watch it.
Ember.
Man, that thing works great. How much battery?
Full.
Holy cow, that's crazy. I don't think we have any more. We'll hit that other one lower trail, but I think that one's pretty good.
All right.
I think we're good.
We're golden.
All the lower trails are open. Man, I'm impressed. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm impressed with it.
I can't believe that, like, when you install a blade, it had that much power.
Yeah.
It didn't even throw the chain. I've had a lot of those cheap ones that throw the chain. So that actually did really good. Actually, tension's pretty good. Needs a little oil. Definitely WUMT approved, wouldn't you say? Links are below. And it's Moto Rider approved too.
There it is.
So in the box, you got a strap, 2 batteries, 2 amp hour, 21 volt, 2000 milliamps, of course. You have the pole, which is extendable. Oh, that's pretty long.
That's what she said.
Pivot the head. Pivot it this way. See how long that actually is. It's one advantage over the Milwaukee. It looks longer already. Over 8 feet. So once you get the saw in there, it'll be almost 10 foot long to the tip. With a bag of accessories, gloves, glasses, an extra chain, cleaning brush, wrench with a Phillips strap, 2 batteries, a wall wart charger, and the saw. Does have a push oiler. Has this little safety thing on there. 6-inch bar. Compare this to the Milwaukee. So there's the first difference. This does extend longer. So if you line up the triggers instead of where the batteries go, it's that much longer. That's like 3 more feet. Chain is longer on the Milwaukee. 6-inch on the SEESII. A little over 9 inches on the Milwaukee. This has a large oil reservoir, but this is heavy. See what the weight difference is. Huh. Wow. The SEESII is half the weight. Feels like about the same hanging off the end, but the weight on the back is much heavier on the Milwaukee. This, all the weight is on the end, but it's about the same. Make sure you take that guard off first. Oh, that's a lock. This is for safety. This has a tensioner here. Let's see what it looks like in there. There's the tensioner. We'll see how it holds up. So this is a tensioner here. And then you lock it here like that. This is your oiler and your little reservoir. Make sure you have oil or the chain will not last very long. Let's get some oil in it, charge these batteries, and do the test. This has a 21 volt, 0.75 amp, so it can probably take 4 hours to charge. The SEESII 6-incher manual, rated voltage is 20. You have a 2000 and a 4000 milliamp hour battery available. 20 minutes with a 2 amp hour battery. When it's charging, the indicator is red. When it's completed, it'll turn green. It says to empty the oiler when you're not using it so it doesn't leak. Every single one of these leak. That Milwaukee leaks like crazy. Oh, got him.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.